Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll learn how to use if-else conditional statements in C++ with a very simple example. Let's take a look at this code. First, we'll write the skeleton of the program. Inside the main function, we first declare an integer variable called marks, then we'll ask to input marks using cin marks. Now comes the important part, the if statement. We write if marks greater than or equal to 33. This checks whether the student scored 33 marks or more, which is usually the passing mark in many systems. If the condition is true, the program will output pass. If the condition is false, the block moves to the else and prints fail. Finally, the program ends up with return 0, which tells that system that the program ran successfully. Now let's input 12, and obviously the result is fail. And now, if the statement of execution is only in one line, then we can also write it without creating a block as shown here. We can remove the blocks and write in the similar line, and it will execute perfectly without any error. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more C++ tutorials.